Hi, let's paint a Christmas wreath with watercolors. I'm using a small watercolor brush, watercolor paper, and liquid watercolors because they're my favorite, but you can use any watercolors that you have on hand. First, I'm going to lightly sketch in a circle shape, and I say shape because it's not a perfect circle. It's got some personality. And then I'm going to make small, loose, curved lines all around my circle. And this is going to create my branches that my greenery will grow on. I'm going to do a more pine or fir greenery for my Christmas wreath rather than leaves. Using that same brush, I'm going to make small green lines off of each of those curved branches. And I'm going to do this for each one of those curved lines. Just swoosh the lines in lightly and keep it fluffy because you don't want these to be stiff looking lines. To make each individual branch of greenery, I'm going to start with my lightest green and then build that with a little bit darker. You'll see me add a little bit of blue or a little bit of black to make my green a little darker. And then I'm going to add my darkest layer last. So I'll probably go around this wreath 3 times. This is what's going to give your wreath highlights and shadows, the values of green. Yes, it is time consuming to do these one at a time, but the end result is just so pretty. Make it look a little more realistic. You can add berries, ribbons, pine cones, ornaments, whatever you like to decorate your wreath. In the description below, I'm going to link another video where I do the exact same wreath using Crayola markers. That way you can compare which is your favorite to do. I hope you'll join me there and then hit subscribe so you'll know when we add more videos to our Christmas playlist. But most importantly, we pray that you forget not the Lord in this season and every day.